Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best 360-degree cameras of 2026, perfect for creators, travelers, vloggers, and anyone who wants to capture every angle of life. Whether you're shooting immersive travel footage, action sports, or stunning 3D panoramas, we've got you covered with the latest and greatest models on the market. In this video, we'll break down performance, video quality, features, ease of use, and overall value, so you can choose the perfect 360-degree camera for your needs. Check out the product links in the description below. All the cameras we talk about today are linked there, so you can compare prices and specs instantly. Let's get started. 5. Extra Edge X-Cama 01. Take your content to the next dimension with the true 8K panoramic video power of the Extra SFRA 360, designed to capture every adventure in breathtaking detail. From cinematic travel vlogs to sweeping landscape shots, your audience won't just watch the moment, they'll feel inside it. With a 1-inch sensor equivalent, this vlogging camera delivers vibrant colors and rich clarity, making city walks, night scenes, and cozy indoor clips look stunning even in low light. Push your creativity further with jaw-dropping 100-megapixel ultra-high-resolution panoramas, perfect for dramatic mountain views and striking architecture. Forget the stress of extra memory cards thanks to 105 gigabytes of built-in storage, ready to handle massive 360-degree footage and immersive POV action. Plus, with broad accessory compatibility and magnetic quick-release mounting, you can switch setups in seconds to match your shooting style. The Extra SFRA 360 standard bundle includes everything you need: the camera, USB-C PD cable, cold-resistant battery, transparent lens protector, and carrying bag, so you're fully equipped for daily 360-degree creation right out of the box. 4. Akaso 360. Take your content to the next level with the Akaso 360. A powerhouse, 5.7K 360-degree action camera built for creators who want it all. Capture fully immersive 5.7K 360-degree video with breathtaking clarity and never miss a single moment of the action. With advanced in-app super smooth stabilization and 360-degree horizon lock, your footage stays silky smooth and perfectly level, even during flips, spins, and high-speed adventures. Create insane third-person shots effortlessly with the invisible selfie stick effect, included right in the box. Dual 1/2-inch 48-megapixel sensors deliver stunning detail, while 72-megapixel 360-degree photos and DNG8 RAW mode give you unmatched sharpness, dynamic range, and low-light performance. AI subject tracking keeps you perfectly centered, and with shoot first, frame later, you can capture everything and choose your best angles afterward. Plus, edit like a pro using Akaso 360 Studio to turn your footage into scroll-stopping content. This isn't just an action camera, it's your ultimate creative tool. GoPro Max 2. Take your content to the next level with the all-new GoPro Max 2. The camera that never misses a moment. Shoot in breathtaking true 8K 360 video and capture absolutely everything around you without ever worrying about framing the perfect shot. Just press the shutter and let Max 2 do the rest, delivering up to 21% more resolution than the competition. Then, use the GoPro Quick app to instantly reframe your footage into stunning 4K Ultra HD videos, ready to save, share, and post anywhere. Create unbelievable invisible pole shots where your mount magically disappears. Capture immersive POV angles, cinematic follow cam footage, and even drone-like perspectives, all from a single recording. With replaceable, water-repelling optical glass lenses, you can film in extreme conditions without worry. Plus, everything you need comes in the box. Max 2 camera, 2 protective lens caps, 1960 mAh Enduro battery, curved adhesive mount, mounting buckle with thumb screw, USB-C cable, and a microfiber lens cloth. If you want maximum creativity with zero limits, Max 2 delivers. 2. DJI Osmo 360. Take your content to the next level with the all-new DJI Osmo 360. Built for creators who want big views and brilliant quality in every shot. Featuring groundbreaking 1-inch 360-degree imaging, this powerhouse delivers stunning 8K at 30 FPS of 360-degree video with exceptional low-light performance, so your adventures look sharp and vibrant day or night. Capture breathtaking 120-megapixel 360-degree photos, shoot ultra-smooth 4K 120 FPS action, and enjoy magical third-person angles with the 1.2-meter invisible selfie stick. With 105 gigabytes of built-in storage and up to 190 minutes of non-stop recording, you're always ready to roll. No memory card needed. Switch seamlessly between immersive 360-degree shots and single-lens vlogs using the magnetic quick-release system. Perfect for travel, cycling POVs, skiing, and more. 4 built-in microphones record rich, true-to-life stereo sound, and with the powerful DJI Mimo app, editing is effortless thanks to advanced tools like Pano Dewarp and Pro Color Grading. Whether you're an action enthusiast, travel vlogger, or everyday creator, the standard combo gives you everything you need to start capturing your world in stunning 360-degree. For the best experience, download the latest DJI Mimo app directly from DJI's official website. 1. Insta360 X5. Take your content to the next level with the Insta360 X5, the ultimate 8K 360-degree powerhouse built for creators who want it all. Featuring dual 1.2H sensors, the X5 captures breathtaking 8K 30 FPS 360-degree video with stunning clarity, vibrant color, and exceptional dynamic range. Its advanced triple AI chip design delivers impressive low-light performance, while flow state stabilization and full 360-degree horizon lock keep your footage smooth and perfectly level. No gimbal needed. Create epic third-person shots with the invisible selfie stick effect, instantly generate ready-to-share videos with InstaFrame mode, and enjoy crystal-clear audio thanks to the new 4-mic array with WindGuard. Built tough with replaceable lenses, waterproof up to 49 feet, 15 meters, and powered by a long-lasting 185-minute battery with fast charging, the X5 is ready for every adventure. Plus, with AI-powered one-tap export and automatic highlight editing, creating pro-level content has never been easier. Unbox, shoot, and share. Anytime, anywhere. All right, guys, that wraps up our top 5 best 360-degree cameras of 2026. Whether you're creating immersive travel vlogs, capturing insane action shots, or leveling up your content creation game, there's a perfect 360-degree camera on this list for you. From the incredible performance of the Insta360 X4 to the stunning image quality of the GoPro Max and the professional power of the Ricoh Theta Z1, each option brings something unique to the table. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest product reviews and comparisons. And don't forget, all the product links are in the description below, so you can check current prices, deals, and full specs for each camera. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.